morning, my dear children. Sit, please. Yesterday only discussed about the quadratic equation. Have any doubts in quadratic equation?
So I have doubt in question number 5 of exercise 4.2.
Okay, read the question.
The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides.
Okay, please come and write the question. The altitude of a rectangle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. Okay? Given question, the altitude of a rectangle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. Okay? First now I have draw one rectangle triangle. Is that clear? First draw one rectangle triangle. This is the rectangle triangle. Its name A, B, C. Rectangle at B. Is that clear? Rectangle at point B. Understood everyone? Now read the statement. The altitude of a rectangle triangle is 7 cm less than of its base. If B is 90 degree, then opposite side of the 90 degree, that means AC is hypotenuse. Is that clear? But which side is altitude and which side is base? Can you say? Can you say anyone? Which side is base and which side is altitude? BC is and why you can say that BC is base and AB is altitude? Why you can't say that AB is base and BC is altitude? Anybody? Because stand and tell. Because listen, opposite side of the 90 degree is called that hypotenuse. Here theta is not mentioned. Is that clear? If we can take angle C, in this case we can say that AB is altitude and BC is base. If we can take angle A, in this case we can say that BC is altitude and AB is base. But here not given that which side is altitude and which side is base. Understood? That's why you can take any side is base and another side is altitude. Okay? So consider AB side is altitude, BC side is base. Sit please. Understood now? The altitude of a rectangle triangle is 7 cm less than of its base. So which is greater? Base is greater or altitude is greater? Base is greater. Okay? If we consider base is x unit, the altitude will be what? X minus 7 unit. Is that clear? So first write, let base be x. Then according to the question, altitude is equal to x minus 7 unit. Understood now? Let base be x unit. Then according to the question, altitude is x minus 7 unit. Is that clear? Due to altitude of a rectangle triangle is 7 cm less than of its base. And hypotenuse also given 13 cm. The hypotenuse 13 cm. Is that clear? Understood now? Now find the other two sides. That means find AB and BC. If you calculate the value of x, then we can write the length of a BC. Also we can write the length of a AB. How to write the length of a AB? Now x minus 7 cm. Very good. Understood? Now look the rectangle triangle ABC. AC given 13 cm. AB given x minus 7 cm. BC given x cm. So how to find the value of x? Who can say how to find the value of x? Stand and tell. Yes, using the Pythagorean theorem, property, we can find the value of x. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Raghubir, stand and tell.
H square is equal to p square.
Very good. H square is equal to p square plus b square. That means hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus a base square. So here hypotenuse is AC. That's why we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC value 13 square is equal to AB value x minus 7 square plus BC x square. Done. Now 13 square is 169, x minus 7 whole square, x square plus 49 minus 14x plus x square. Is that clear? Now x square minus 14x, look at the board please, x square plus x square, we can write 2x square. Now minus 14x plus 49, this 169 transpose from left side to right side, minus, it will convert into minus 169 is equal to 0. Understood now? Then 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169, result will be minus 120 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Each term divided by 2. Are yes or no? That's why we can take common here 2. Rest will be x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Is that clear? Can you factorize it by the splitting? Yes, by the splitting of the middle terms. Can you say that addition result will be what? Minus 7. Multiplication result? Minus 60. What are the two numbers? Minus 12 and plus 5. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7 and minus 12 into plus 5 is minus 60. That's why this middle term we can break into addition of two terms. Okay, that is what? X square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. If you take common x from first two terms, then rest will be x minus 12 plus 5x minus 60. If you take common 5, rest will be x minus 12 is equal to 0. Next, x minus 12 whole into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to plus 12 or x is equal to minus 5. But x is equal to minus 5, is it acceptable? No, why not acceptable? Why not accepted? Due to yes, length of the side is always positive, not negative. That's why it is not accepted. Okay, so here x is equal to 12. That means base BC is equal to 12 cm. Is that clear? Then altitude AB is equal to x minus 7, that is 12 minus 7, that is 5 cm. Okay, the final we get the altitude is 5 cm and the base is 12 cm. Understood now? Understood? Thank you.
TSG चाहता है चलो कुछ ऐसा करेंगे, देश की शान है हम शानदार रहेंगे, शानदार रहेंगे।
गुरुकुल गोठपाटଣା भुवनेश्वर।